Well, hello and good morning, and this is Thursday the 25th of February's maths for this week. So we know we've been looking at 3D shapes, so I'm hoping that you've been having fun learning some of these names and that you've been recognizing 3D shapes around your house. So again, we're going to have a quick little warm up. We've got a little bonus in the corner here. Can you tell me what this shape is? Okay, and then how many apples are there? Write the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So greatest means biggest. It says here there are 15 cookies in a jar. 9 cookies are eaten. How many cookies are left? So have a think about what type of number sentence would that be. And we've got these shapes here. What shape is first? So what's this shape here? So we've got guessing of 2 shapes. Okay, so pause the video here and have a little go at those. Okay, well, I'm hoping that you realize that the apples are in 5s and then you counted in 5. So let's have a go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Brilliant. And then write the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So this one we're going from the biggest. So they're all 2-digit. I've got 2 here with 2 10s, but then so I need to look at the ones. So this has got 9, and I know that 9 is bigger than 3, so I know 9, so 29. Then it goes 23, and then we've got 17. Well done, I'm sure you got that. So this one means we've got 15 cookies, so there's 15. I'm taking away 9 because 9 cookies have been eaten. So how many are left? Okay, so here it may be that you've got 15 objects and took 9 away. You drew 15 circles and crossed 9 out. You might have counted back. Okay, so lots of different things that you could do there to work that out. So I'm just going to count backwards. So I'm going to go 9, I'm going to count, there's my 9, and I'm going to count backwards. I'm going to go 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, and then what's this shape? This is a square. And what was this one? This is a cuboid. So well done if you got those correct. Well done. So let's have a little go. So we're going to have a little guess the shape. So I'm going to reveal a little bit of a shape. This is obviously a 3D shape, and you need to try and see if you can guess what you think it is. Okay. So I'm moving. Ooh, so what do you think that could be? So if we think it's got curved, what 3D shape's got a curved edge or it's got a curved face? Oh, so I'm hoping you're thinking could be a cone, yeah, could be a cylinder, a little bit more. Oh, okay, so it's definitely going to be a circle. So what shape has got a circle face on it? Oh, and it is a cone. Were you correct? I was a bit naughty because I put it upside down, didn't I? But well done if you guessed that. Okay, what do we think this one is? So again, I'm going here. Oh, okay, so this has got straight, it's got straight edges. So think to yourself, what shapes have got straight edges? Well, there's quite a few of them, isn't there? There's a cuboid, there's a cube, a square-based pyramid, a triangular prism has got as well. Do a little bit more. Oh, well, so looking at that then, that makes me think that it's not going to be a triangular prism, is it? But then a bit more, it is a cuboid. Well done if you got that right. Okay, I'll hide those back up there again. Right. So this time we're going to be thinking about patterns. So let's have a little look at the patterns. So we always say, don't we, it's easy if we say the patterns, it also helps us to remember the shape names. So we've got here a sphere. Sphere, And I'm just going to say pyramid instead of square base pyramid because it's just quicker. So we've got sphere, pyramid, pyramid, sphere, pyramid, pyramid, sphere, pyramid, pyramid, and it's going to be a sphere. It's just a bit difficult. I'm drawing it as like a circle, but we know that's a sphere. And then it's going to be a pyramid. It's very difficult. I find it difficult to draw. 3D, that's supposed to be my pyramid. And another pyramid. I hope you can hear that I'm saying a pyramid. So we've got, brilliant. So what about this one? So this is, now they are all, if you look at them, they are all cylinders, but we've got a cylinder up this way, and then we've got a sort of cylinder on its side. Now it's quite tricky, isn't it? Because we don't know the beginning of it, and we've got the end of it. So and then it's got bits missing in here. So I'm wondering whether it might be easier. So it goes pyramid. I'm going to go pyramid up, pyramid down, pyramid up, pyramid down. I'm going to go pyramid. Not pyramid, sorry, cylinder. We're going cylinder up, cylinder down, cylinder up, cylinder down. So then this is going to be a cylinder up this way. Again, you have to excuse my drawing. And then this one is lying down this way. And then we've got pyramid up. Pyramid, oh, I keep saying pyramid. Sorry, cylinder up, cylinder down. So now I'm going backwards. So then this one has got to be the cylinder lying down, and then this one is the cylinder up in the air. So let's have a look. So it goes cylinder up, cylinder down, 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 and we got there in the end. Okay, so having a look here, so what kind of pattern could I make with these? So I could go, if I just had two of them, I could go cylinder, cube, cylinder, cube, cylinder, cube. So I could do that pattern. What else could I do? I could, if I could go cuboid, pyramid, cylinder. So then it'd go cuboid, pyramid. We've got cuboid, pyramid, cylinder, cuboid, pyramid, cylinder. I could go, there's lots of different, you could go cuboid, cuboid, cylinder, and then you go cuboid, cuboid, cylinder. So there's lots of different patterns that you could make. So maybe you could just verbalize this to your parents about what pattern would you make with those shapes. Okay, so looking here, it says, so we've got the girl here's made a pattern. She says the next shape in my pattern will be a cylinder, true or false. So let's have a look. So she's got cuboid, cylinder, cone, cuboid, cylinder, cone, cuboid, cylinder. She is correct. She would have that correct. So she is true. So here, looking at here, this is the silver. So again, I would have got you to practically make a pattern. It's quite difficult to draw 3D shapes, as you can tell by me drawing them. So we've got this instead. So you need to think about, tick the shape that continues the pattern. So say the pattern out loud, what shape would come next? Okay, the same here. Tick the shape. So think about, say the pattern out loud, which one of these shapes would come next in the pattern? True or false? The next shape in my pattern will be a cylinder. So say out the pattern, and then is it true? Would a cylinder be next? And then extension, again, if you're allowed to, you could get some of your 3D objects from around your house and make a pattern with them, but that's only if you're allowed to, and it's really don't have to do it. the gold then is, looking at this pattern, Whitney is making a circle pattern. Is Whitney's pattern correct? Has she done it correct? Or can you spot the mistake? And then here it says that Millie is drawing, so this is where again we're thinking about the shape of those faces. Millie is drawing around 3D shapes to create a pattern. Here are the patterns she has created. What has Millie done wrong? Explain your answer. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video here and we can go back to the silver, and then I'm going to move on to the answers. So there's the answers to the silver. And then the answers to the gold are here. So I didn't do the answer here, but I will do it with you now. So here, what's the mistake she's done? So if we go around, we've got cone, square, cube, cone, cube, cone, cube, cone, cube, cone. She's got an extra cone in there. That shouldn't be there. She's got an extra cone that needs to come out. And then here, Millie has drawn around the wrong shape because the triangular based pyramid does not have a circular face. So this is a triangle based pyramid this time. It doesn't have a circle, it would have a triangle. Okay, well done there.